Having a high IQ sounds like a gift. People assume smart people have easier lives, better choices, and more success. But what if I told you some of the smartest people suffer the most? Because a sharp mind can understand the world deeply and still struggle to live in it. People with extremely high IQ don't just think more than others. They think differently. What looks like silence, distance, or weird behavior from outside often hides a mind working at a level most people never notice. Here are 5 psychological traits of people with extremely high IQ. Number 1. Curiosity never dies. Their mind is never satisfied with simple answers. If everyone accepts something, they question it. If people follow trends, they ask why. If someone lies, they notice the cracks. They don't just look at what is happening, they look at why it's happening. Even random things become interesting to them. Human behavior, power dynamics, habits, systems, patterns. While others scroll for entertainment, they search for understanding. And that's why many intelligent people know a little about everything. Because for them, learning is addictive. Number 2, the overthinking trap. But there's a dark side to intelligence. When your mind can see many possibilities, it also sees many problems. They replay conversations in their head. They think about what they should have said. They predict future situations that may never happen. One mistake can stay in their mind for weeks. While others move on, they keep analyzing. This is why many highly intelligent people look calm outside, but mentally exhausted inside. Because sometimes, the smartest brain in the room is also the noisiest one. Number 3. High IQ does not mean high EQ. This is where many people get fooled. Someone can be brilliant and still bad with emotions. They may understand logic perfectly but struggle with relationships. They may solve business problems but fail to express feelings. They may notice patterns in others but not understand their own pain. IQ helps you think clearly. EQ helps you live clearly. And without emotional intelligence, raw intelligence can become self-destruction. That's why some smart people sabotage themselves, stay lonely, or push away good people. Number 4. Solitude seekers. Many highly intelligent people enjoy being alone, not because they hate people, because peace feels rare. Most conversations feel repetitive. Most environments feel loud. Most people talk without depth, so they choose solitude. Alone, they can think, create, reflect, reset. They'd rather spend 1 hour alone with their thoughts than fake 10 conversations. And sometimes society labels them arrogant or antisocial. But the truth is, they're not avoiding people. They're protecting their energy. Number 5. Boredom kills them. Average stimulation doesn't satisfy an advanced mind. Routine jobs, shallow content, predictable people, empty repetition, all of it drains them. Their brain needs challenge, growth, something meaningful. Without it, they become restless. This is why some highly intelligent people waste years. Not because they're lazy, because nothing around them feels worth their energy. And when a gifted mind has no purpose, it often turns to distraction, addiction, or self-doubt. So yes, high IQ can be a gift, but it can also mean overthinking, loneliness, boredom, and emotional struggle. A powerful mind doesn't guarantee a powerful life. Sometimes the people everyone admires for being smart are secretly trying to survive their own thoughts. Because intelligence can open doors, but it can also build prisons.